Hi, I'm Kevin Tetz, and I want to show you what's new with U-POL's Raptor coating system. Raptor is the only bed liner and protective coating that offers a complete system that is extremely durable, easy to apply, and totally customizable. Check out these products. The Epoxy 4:1 primer is available in 1 and 5-liter kits. It's perfect for adhesion and building a super durable bridge between the surface and Raptor. It's corrosion resistant and can go over surface rust, and that's a time saver. The Epoxy is now available in the 2K aerosols as well. The gallon and quart Raptor black kits are chemical, UV, and abrasion resistant, and they're ideal for metals, woods, concrete, fiberglass, and your application options are endless. There's also a new mixing cup included. Raptor kits are also available ready to go in a 1-gallon kit in bright white. Gallon and quart-sized tintable Raptor is totally customizable using Raptor's new Tint System, or you can have your colors mixed and matched at your local body shop jobber. The Raptor Tint System has highly concentrated pigments that won't fade in the sun and are available in 15 colors. One pouch tints 1 quart bottle. Just pour it in, add hardener, shake, and shoot. 7 of the colors match the 2K aerosols, which makes it perfect if you have to do re-repairs on a larger project later on. One pouch tints 1 quart bottle. The 2K aerosols offer 2-component durability in the convenience of an aerosol can. They're 10 times more durable than any other standard aerosol liners. They're ideal for small jobs, customizing, and touch-ups, and they're available in 7 colors and an epoxy primer. They offer 14.5 square feet of coverage, which is twice the typical 1-component bed liner aerosols. These are the new Raptor Surface Prep aerosols. The etch primer is perfect to prime and etch bare metal and create a corrosion-resistant barrier under your Raptor. Adhesion promoter ensures excellent adhesion to metals, plastics, woods, concrete, and painted surfaces where it's difficult to sand. Raptor Traction is the new and improved traction media, which is now translucent, so it's invisible in the lighter colors like white and yellow. It's ideal for step surfaces, garage floors, and anywhere you need traction. This is the Raptor Professional Vari-Nozzle Adjustable Gun. Now you can easily tune in your texture and adjust the look and thickness of your Raptor coatings. Now we're going to take a closer look at Raptor in the 2K aerosol option. Make sure you read your instructions carefully. This is not your typical aerosol. Always use proper eye, skin, and respiratory protection. This product contains isocyanates found in professional coatings, and they're very dangerous. Use, at a minimum, an A2 or P2 rated or NIOSH approved respirator. Apply in a well-ventilated area away from open flames and wear gloves, long sleeves, and eye protection. For surface prep, scuff with a medium grit pad or sandpaper, and you can use etch primer or epoxy over bare steel. Raptor can be used on wood, plastic, and concrete surfaces. The wood and the concrete must be clean, fully cured, and dry. Now these surfaces can be epoxy primed for longer life. Plastic panels should be sprayed with adhesion promoter before Raptor application. For the bare metal we've exposed here, we'll use the 1K etch primer to ensure great adhesion to the bottom of this battery tray. And now with our battery tray primed, we can move on to the 2K aerosol Raptor. Shake the can well to start with. Then remove the red button from the cap. Invert the can, press the cap down on the internal activating chamber, and release the catalyst. It's really important to shake this for at least 2 minutes to make certain that the catalyst is fully mixed. 2K aerosol Raptor's pot life is only 1 hour, so make sure that your project is ready to spray when you mix the catalyst in. Before applying, test out on some sort of a scrap substrate or panel. Stand 2 to 3 feet away from your project. Being too close will cause fast high building and spattering. Again, this doesn't spray like a typical aerosol. You need to be about 24 inches from the can to the surface for best results. For your first coat, make sure that it's a full coat to get complete coverage on your substrate. Texture can be built on top by a second coat. Remember to invert the can and clean it out between coats. This will avoid any product hardening in the dip tube. Raptor aerosol will dry to touch in less than an hour at around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be put back into service after drying overnight. but allow at least 3 days before exposing Raptor to water. 2K Raptor gives you even more options and more versatility with multiple color choices and epoxy now available for easy touch-ups and fast, convenient application for smaller projects. There is nothing else like this on the market today. Raptor is a complete system that gives you great chemical resistance, great UV resistance, easy application, and a fully customizable system with virtually an unlimited selection of colors and textures. Remember that you can always find a local distributor with our Raptor Distributor Locator on our website. You can buy Raptor wherever U-POL products are sold, and don't forget to follow us on social media.